What's better than free legal advice? I don't know. I can't think of anything at the moment. But it's time for the Law on You. And joining us, Ed Ciarimboli and Greg Fellerman are here once again.
Nice
How are you today?
Free groceries. I think that would be better than...
Oh, free gas.
Free gas?
Oh, but we'll take free legal advice.
Yes,
absolutely. Let's get to today's question from Ben out in Pottsville. Ben saying, I have a preliminary hearing coming up before the local district judge. The police told me I don't need a lawyer. What do you think?
Depends on what it is.
I was going to say that.
Yeah. See?
Yeah.
See, she's killing it. Depends on what it is. I mean, obviously, if it's a, if it's any type of like a drug charge or, any, a summary offense, I mean, you probably need a lawyer. But if it's something very minor, then you may not. I mean, if it's a traffic ticket, I would say you probably don't need a lawyer for that. But it really depends on the magnitude of what the charge is and or how many charges there's going to be.
Yeah, and I think sometimes depending on what happened and what the police officer is telling you, sometimes they're giving you a tip. Look, I think we can work this out. However, sometimes depending on what happened, you may need to have a lawyer regardless of that assertion. So I think depending on the severity of the case, depending on the facts of the case, depending on how you acted when you were arrested, you may need an attorney. So, and again, sometimes the judges, there's a nice working relationship and you can get through it. But if it's a serious crime and you face incarceration, I would recommend you show up with a lawyer.
Yeah,
you have a constitutional right.
Here's what to do: take your charges, scan them in on your phone, just email it to us, and we can tell you if you need a lawyer or not.
There you go. Yeah.
It's that simple.
Always make a consultation before you
Absolutely. Yeah, consultation's free. We can give you an idea. And it's not the type of work that we do, but if you need a lawyer, we can tell you, hey, you're going to need a lawyer for this. And we can
even
get
more
you the right
free
place.
legal advice. Just give them a call, find them online and on social media. Guys, thanks so much for your advice. If you have questions, submit them at pahomepage.com.